Now we will cover requesting the building owner notification letter or a shared access request. And you can link directly to the form using that QR code on the slide as well. In order to access your building on the portal, you must request a building owner notification letter or shared access. You can find the link on the How to Comply page of the Clean Buildings website under drop-down menu number 6, entitled Access the Clean Buildings portal for the first time. The link will take you to the Smartsheet form shown on the right. Using the notification code from the letter will automatically assign you to the role of building owner. So if you're not the building owner, then please request shared access instead. Once you have the letter, you will need to create a SAW or Shared Access Washington account. What is a SAW account? Secure Access Washington is a security platform created and monitored by the Department of Information Services, and it is not monitored by the Department of Commerce directly in any way. SAW is used to access many types of portals created by multiple state agencies, ranging from unemployment and DSHS services to the Clean Buildings portal. If you have any issues creating the SAW account itself, in particular, if you've used it in the past or having issues with multiple profiles, you'll want to reach out directly to get help within SAW to resolve those types of problems. Button right there. But you can, of course, always reach out to us whenever you have any issues at our email address, buildings@commerce.law.gov. There are also instructions on how to access the Clean Building portal found on the building owner notification letter that you'll receive, and within the emails that you'll receive both accompanying the letter and as part of the shared access request confirmation. There are also video instructions on how to create a SAW account on the Clean Buildings portal webpage, which is linked through the Clean Buildings website. And the QR code here on the slide takes you directly to that webpage as well. If you haven't used the document library before, there are a couple new documents related to accessing the portal and granting shared access internally that I want to bring your attention to. The document links are being posted into the chat. One is entitled Initial Access to the Portal, which the purpose is obvious in the name. And the other is called Granting Shared Access, which enables a building owner to grant shared access to qualified persons or authorized representatives themselves. So check those documents out and all of the documents available in the library to support your journey to compliance. So next up is KJ, who's going to walk us through some SAW account troubleshooting advice.
Thank you, Lisa. Good morning, everyone. I'm KJ, Data Lead of Clean Buildings Team of Commerce. Today, I'd like to share how to troubleshoot multi-factor authentication issues when you use a SAW account. I have two scenarios here. The first one is about the situation when you are not getting the MFA code. Sometimes you might not receive MFA code with many tries. It's very frustrating. In this case, you can use to add options to get the code. Next slide, please. If you have only one option for now, then please go to Home and click Account to add additional email address and phone number. Then you can use these two options to get the code. Sometimes there might be communication issues in email server, providers, web hosting, or network. So it's good to have more options to get the code. If you haven't signed up yet, then you're lucky. Now you know how to add more options. Although it says it's optional on the sign up page, but please add additional email address and mobile phone number so that you can use other options. Next case is about identity verification. If you or your colleagues might encounter this identification process when you add a portal to your account. You have two options to solve it. First, you can edit your profile and try to answer the questions correctly. If it doesn't work, please click the request permission to skip this step on the bottom. Then our Clean Buildings team will receive email about your request and we will approve it very shortly.